Hey guys, it's me. I'm doing an unboxing right now from Lockerz, an iPod Shuffle. You want an invite? Cause they're doing an invite forever. Here's me opening it. A red iPod Shuffle. Okay, let's check it out. Quickie video for proof. If you guys want to see my invite video, link's probably down right here. That was a fail. Probably got it open. Okay. See it? See Lockerz thing? Got here. What do we got? Oh. Got this thing. It's like a baby. I'll just find with you. First off, prize will go last. This. Okay. See my shit, man. Okay. Thought they would give us a sticker or something. Okay, here it is. iPod Shuffle. Looks brand new, not opened even yet. No proof that it is true. No. 150 points. Redeemed it. Okay guys, here's the billing thing. Package slip. Okay, billing address there. Shipping. See? Oh, redeemed 150 points. Right there. It's good. Also, I already showed you, but last but not least, the login. Our mission is to be Irish. And when you become a Z-list, that is only for 1 year. After that 1 year, your Z-list will expire and you will have to invite 20 other people. No, Kathy just confirmed it herself. Here's the pretty cool. And as I did on the other probably like 15 seconds ago, but